Hey guys, it's me, Kathy. Welcome to my video. Today we have a special guest, as you see, our baby bearded dragon. Her name is Blizzard. Say hi, Blizzard. Blizzard is in the pool. She likes to walk around the swimming pool to get some exercise. She's very fun to have. Blizzard likes to eat now the blueberries, her spinach, and she also loves her super worms, which we're going to see that in just a minute. When Blizzard was coming up, Blizzard ate a lot of crickets, and also we gave her her vegetables. But Blizzard, if anybody has a bearded dragon, could know some of them could be very picky. I guess she thinks she's ready to get out. But Blizzard is one of them that is picky. And she only likes right now her spinach, her blueberries, and once again, her super worms. So I'm going to show you her blueberries, I'm sorry. Throw it in there and let's see if Blizzard will go after it. As you see, she's really not interested in her blueberry. Look, Blizzard. Look, Ma. Yeah, look at Mama. Yeah. Blizzard belongs to my 11-year-old son. But as any parent out there knows, that your child says, I want, I'll take care of it, until, just like I said, until. Here's the blueberry, Blizzard, look. And then, of course, who gets stuck taking care of Blizzard? Is Mama. Yes, and I love her. Now you see how she's ignoring her blueberry right now because she already ate this morning. So she's not going to pretty much go after the blueberry. But I can guarantee you, even though she ate, when Mama puts in a super worm, watch how quick Blizzard, let me sit this down, goes after her super worm. Ready, guys? Here it goes. Look, Blizzard. Look what I have. Look, look. Here it is. As soon as she noticed it, look. Right on it, guys, just like I said. Let's see if we can get her to face the camera. Look, Blizzard. Come over here. Look, Blizzard, look what I have. If you want it, you're going to come over to the camera and find it. Let's see if we can get a head point right into the camera. Yeah, I do have tweezers, guys, but I'm not afraid to pick these up anymore. I've had her so long now, and I feel like with these, might pinch them a little bit, even though they're getting ready to go down Blizzard's little belly. So I just pick them up like this. Look, you ready? Here it goes. Go get it. You see it, Blizzard. Look. Come on, turn around, baby. There you go, girl. You went right over top of it. Look, come here, baby, look. It sounds like a lot of noise because of the pool, guys, but look. As soon as she eyeballs it up. Get it, Blizzard. Look, here's your worm. Of course, when you try to get him, there she goes. She sees it. And she got it, guys. Nice crunching sound if you guys like that. Smacking and crunching. And she got it. But once again, here's the blueberry. She will not go after this because she goes after her blueberries on her time. When she feels like she needs the blueberry. But I'm not going to give Blizzard any more super worms right now. We can do that in a later video because she already ate this morning. But I want to show you guys Blizzard when she was a baby and how big Blizzard got now. And we came up with the name of Blizzard because my 11-year-old son got her for Christmas. So of course it was cold outside, and at that time we couldn't tell if she was a male or a female. So we said, what would be a good name for a boy or a girl? So we picked Blizzard. Blizzard could be a male or a female name. And it goes right with her because she's fast like a little blizzard. So now I'm going to show you, because you've seen how small she was in the pictures. Now we're going to show you how big she is in her cage. Come on, baby. Say hi, everybody. Say hi. Yeah. So, say hi to the camera. Yeah. Yeah, baby. All right, so I'm going to put her in her cage. I'm going to shut it up. I'm going to lock it. And then we're going to show you guys now how big Blizzard is inside her cage compared to how she used to be. Look at that, guys. It's awesome. Where are you going, baby? Can you see her? Where are you about to go? I'll try to get a top view. There's her lamps. We had her for almost a year now. And as you can see, she's doing wonderful. So, love you guys. And we'll see you guys in the next coming video.